Mami mo akwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adjoa search. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so ube a notification video bia obenye bi ahwe. Honorable Solomon Dako ono ena oye director chief executive ewo Gomwa. Na honorable ede ensem bi atudwa. Ne nsem a okay na ne se. Chese odwen wa onte ase. And I friends will ordering why ebro na dream and an intiasia so. Nina and say. And I know budget ya. Omo be ready edi ema on my Ghana edi beto ye nim. Say a year a free 2021 ya copim 2024 ya ko humasika ene mu sense mo be ka kire ye no. And same bi wo ho a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e kan say obeto aso aye. Na de oba beye enemra foforo ba behye no eyade a ebro na dwen na ntiase so odwe ho kra ontiase because Nana Addo eye too good dodo de enti o kasa ina ne se na office Nana Addo enya de a bibi ti se free SHS anka obeto aso napco anka obeto aso planting for food and jobs enya de anka Nana Addo beto aso because and now 2020 about to year 2 Ghana for ye bonia ye papa ye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo bonyaye nti oni de na onsusu da se Nana Addo anka free SHS kura anka beto aso na sebio Ghana fo a Ghana fo mamefu bi omo se menye no anka omo de omo mbakra akọ secondary school ana se nka parents kura na se student no kura be enjoy free SHS ni bi no enya de a Nana Addo ni tirim ye den ana se oni akoma pa wo my Ghana anka beto aso because the way you see eto aba year 2021 na 2020 sorry na enye kra enye eka kete Nana Addo ewe na obi a odi planting for food and jobs aba odi napco aba odi 1D1F aba odi almighty free SHS aba na mokoto aba anka moto aba no etia no enye nyame oya adom a odi na fofia anka Nana Addo ewe enti Owura Solomon kire se Nana Addo nitimi ye pa se free SHS no oto aso. Na honorable ede ensem we etudwa ewo asem yi dika ewo Neat FM Jumedia Mark Jerry na o host no eso na eno na Owura Mark Jerry ebisa honorable se eye na no budget ya omo eberidi ede ekire o manga na eye na eno na honorable ekire se eye papa budget no emu ensem eye de Nana Addo eba beye de wedi kan ye na de ogus ode ebe magana fofoforo no eyade a eye papa na won say Ghana ha no efiti eye former president a wonya ne baby ko Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na breso a bepem Nana Addo na breso won president a watch free water da won president a watch free electricity da or the light a che say yenfa yisu a che say yenfa free getting to 1 year won bi da enya de biasi o man Ghana emu da e na free SHS president Ben waba be free SHS a che say abofre ko school fees on to be no feeding a fee on to be o di dining free be free mo aka mo atigida His Excellency Nana Addo wa ya de papa na ninsem kem na o chese on kwa the budget no ne wanwa wo ensem bia epiepie mu because na on dem susu da say His Excellency ebekeka sensem no wo abra 2020 about to anka yeti yeto etia Nana Addo eka kakra bi Nana Addo ewe na adofo yenti ensem honorable ede etudwa.
Hey, massa. Nancha my party etiani. De petiani. Hey. Budget did the worry di. Wara. Dem budget na bi no way in last year and ma yade tutuma na o ati hanumi. Anwo man payin bi aba yanum su free da.
Ese bibi anto yeze ye benum so free.
Na ode bibi tu hiana.
Za.
Abai. Okay, nti bibi tu hiana no ba de special, ba sika special na dem bibi no ode brehen. I ode etu ye de mazen. Awu ko secondary school e kwani free.
Man ko ni free.
Nti o man pen yan hihye mo oba na mfi owo. Pious no to onyim chase ye chase one was for school fees. No man pen yan hihye no se na obotua do. Na I mean, they be the way I election results in as important.
Because a big kase, ye kase ene ye be bie ya taba emu na yetimi enya more revenue no. Kwa say eto ya na eto ya de bi beka de 1% bi ko ha sanitation. Esi etu bibi kakra COVID-19 levy. Esi etu bibi kakra toll booty ye be review ye be review ne sen ye suspect ebe say kwosoro kakra. Endom ne na say akwa say amanfo no to no ya akwa so. Even though reliefs bi wom which are trot for commercial we have friends saying vehicle operators see or income tax 30%. And no ye e free ho. Yeah, that is being I'm focus towards Esla. Yet we baby can say the farm go no you two more about 5%, a little over 5%. Normally afra.
I tell him that you have students where cocaine now.
Yes.
Recently, newspaper what buy the sizable number of students. SS even GSS.
I just say one more in Nubonene dear. Nancy, I my background check.
Inti the man before I the man the man was GSS. I know we are secondary school. Or then who know or copy offend disciples were no in one ako. Okay. Inti ndama oma what's a sound of no de or bebre. Inti in the book, Maka parent is over to school. Equastran, Equaman home cho, Mwedi, is Fufuzi command and Adeno. Inna equal be a parent teachers now honomono. Oba no
it's saying
ni behavior or now fe back home support them with prayer bompa man shada ya fasten ma
oba na me baby say ya de we bie na so wo home animo.
I mean you add prayers nkofa bu friend nkoto na nkade na teacher funa look mo friend bi ho no ma adze a obi abofani bi wa ya fifi
na de eku me kura na esi edu nketia oh don't worry brother that means emini yeso na na me dey me so dey me nyanko for dem am no say bia bia commitment bi kakra o in this car with the coil me. All right Charlie, let's get to serious business. Some confo we no udi o machi a dey bia obey nipa bone now. Let me move to Sammy Jemfi. Hey, Minia, we are NDC new. We are MPP new. Let me tell you something. So we leader, odi wenim. So one can okra, lead the whole party astray. Ti the Americano. So we leader only do so on no kwafo so on fa dignity so on fa no kra enye na dwuma de bia no e de anum guase kese ebre party no adan na make sa mo ko say mo ko yi executives kakre samwane hwan mu ni na we anas papa ne say na friend no. Yeah, I believe that's his name. And this name might be no. All those guys were there. They chose look at Koko Anidoho. They chose to bend Koko Anidoho. And who did they choose to use? Esedun Ketia, Adentia, cause all he profused is propaganda. NDC, enye party ya jene se sebe imprediasan, ye beye bibi. Okay, ye beye bibi edi abo my no. Debi. NDC the say ye petumi ye pese hu se ye ne yetiso. What the mom so a? What the tumi ne mom so a? Ye ntumi hwe so. Na ye koyi Sammy Jemfi. I will confess here. Me na minim Sammy Jemfi. To be honest with you. And some koye sa election no. The only communicators of NDC and minim was Ameto Kwame, Fred Agbenyo, Kudedu Asare. Sometimes some papa will refer to Sam George. Like it was some people and then my name say omoye communicators. To be honest, I didn't know anything about Sammy Jemfi. But this was why I was happy about the appointment of Sammy Jemfi. I was happy about Sammy Jemfi because me who say, hey, young boy and I yet to me man of big positions, then this is the time for we the youth. Because or call akoti enim or be ye ade any different if you see don't get animal propaganda this way or the year party no where a new guy matekura so say or sign your lawyer into or be bring a new fresh air into the whole front row of NDC. Akwa be the first press conference a bomb. Na the first press conference. Sami Jemfi be ye. He lost his credibility. Yes, we nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Wo nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Oh, ena na Akufo-Addo. Oni Ghana but one can't kire parliament. Akokwa chokrodo because that time no person relevant ye ni foforo. And you go raise the issue. Na party phone say, Sami, comrade. Na Sami, uko jina ho, etwa antro. Ko jina ho, ko twa antro. Say Akufo-Addo ankra. And a wow, how did you do to jina parliament? Catch us, we your trophy because Papa ne kon in letter near kind of parliament. And once why. And I was starting say, who the chairman general tem, dino hoko concern, Kwame Sifakai. What started say who didn't attempt now? What started says our boys in the call no more cocasa. Momum penema no kurana moko fast. I stop it Erike J no bunny ni Erike J Jimmy ni boy bino. Then ni say ye apotroka. One no moko for no say anytime you be a beba a chairman general who be ano on ye gidi on Chadanya say ni say no yes fair now Sami Jemfi. You pivoted your own communicators against chairman general. Aye Kwame Sifakai. Kodi intro na papa no kochi one time no say asem a wakoka fa me ho no enye no krenti same kotwe san. And we are hunkokoti chairman general but we cannot use this platform. What bodam, that is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sifakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes idea